everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Surprise, surprise. I also kind of wanted to update you guys on how I'm doing. I see that a lot of you keep asking me in the comment section if I'm feeling better. And the answer is yes and no. I try really hard to upload and stay consistent on the channel because it really keeps my mind off of things, but I film on days that I feel good, and then on days that I don't feel so great, I edit, and I kind of just lounge around. I've been trying to stick to my Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday upload, and that hasn't been happening, but I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who checks in on me. I literally have a comment about how I'm feeling in every video, and it means so much to me, so thank you. But let's get into this haul because I have such cute stuff. So the first thing that I wanted to start off with were the cactuses. I actually got these really late. And to be completely honest with you, I think that these are the most realistic looking ones. These I don't love too much, but the one positive part about these is that you can take the fruit off if you really don't like them. I know I did it to the other one that I had. I think it's this one. Yes, I was able to remove the fruit, which looks a little better. I feel like with real cactus, these are a lot smaller or they're off to the side, but it's still really pretty. I kind of want to try repainting them so it looks a little bit more, I know, realistic. We'll see how that goes. But I have these. This one is really pretty. And then I finally found the bamboo. These are so pretty. I also picked up a little potted lavender. Lavender is probably one of my favorite little potted plants from Dollar Tree. It just looks so pretty. And the pot itself is not like their terracotta plants. It's a little different. I just really like this. So in the same range, I also found the Succulent Picks, and these are my favorite. I went to Michael's not too long ago looking for Succulent Picks, and they're about $3. So even with a coupon, these would be a lot cheaper. They're also $2 at Walmart. I am a big fan of the Dollar Tree succulents, but this by far is the most realistic that they've put out. I wish I would have found the lavender one that people were hauling, but this is all I found at my Dollar Tree. So for more floral, I did pick up the spring stuff before it got out of stores. So not all of them have tickets on them because I was kind of playing around with them to make an arrangement not too long ago, which I'll link that video below. I made a 23-inch lantern, which I think looks so pretty. If you guys haven't checked it out, please do so. I really am proud of that video. So I don't know what these are called. If you know the name of them, comment it below. These are wildflowers. Look how pretty that looks. These look really realistic as well. Then the lilacs as well, very pretty. And these are hyacinths. If I'm pronouncing this incorrectly, please let me know in the comments below. I'm not one of those people that gets offended. Please correct me. I would rather someone correct me than me pronounce this incorrectly in every single video. It drives me bonkers. But I think these are very pretty as well. I'm gonna be doing more wedding stuff, so hopefully I'll be putting out a bouquet sometime soon. If you guys want to see more wedding themed stuff, comment below what you want to see. Speaking of wedding stuff, I thought that their bags, they've really stepped up how these bags look. The only complaint that I have is that the back is never ever the same color as the front. So this one has the really pretty gold on the love. In the back it doesn't have it. That's okay, it's a stupid complaint, but for me that I always use these to put them in frames or for DIYs, I kind of always get frustrated that the back never looks the same. But look how pretty this bag is. It's beautiful, and one of the most expensive things out there are wedding like gift bags. So this is a really nice buy. I saw a few others. I really didn't need them, so this is the only one that I purchased. I also found this beautiful little box. I love that it is the craft paper color on the top, has the cute little rose. It just looks so vintage and so pretty. Zorine from Zorine's Designs actually turned this into a little tissue paper holder, and that was such a cute idea. It's a nice size as well, so using this around the house would be perfect if you don't want to use it as a gift. This has been one of my favorite decals in a long time. Actually, I'm lying because I love all of the Dollar Tree decals, but look how pretty these look. These look like the kind of wall art that you would buy in an expensive place. The beautiful watercolors, the size, it is so pretty. And like I said, if you take a stroll through Home Depot or Walmart or wherever, decals are not cheap. They're like $10, $15. So the fact that these are $1 is pretty amazing. So this beautiful spring scarf I saw a long time ago and never picked it up. And when I went into the store, they actually put it back out and I was really, really happy. I love the pattern. It is very, I wouldn't say Betsy Johnson. I think this reminds me more of the Kate Spade spring collection from a few years ago. I just really love it. To me, it's a little on the thin side, so I don't know if I would wear it as a scarf, but definitely as a head wrap or to use in a DIY, I think this is really, really pretty. Socks are the biggest bargain at Dollar Tree, especially for little kids. My daughter loves taking off her shoes and walking on socks, and no matter how many times I mop my house, because I have an English bulldog, her socks end up filthy. So these are 3 pair for $1. And the prints are all so, so pretty. They're a little big on her, but that's okay. They do have smaller ones as well. But I just really wanted to pick them up because of pineapples, and they're just a really cute color. I also found these in the kids section as well. They have a beautiful flamingo pattern, gray ones, and then just plain ones. Sometimes you just want plain socks because they do show, you know, with what you're wearing. So this is really nice. Like I said, this is the biggest bargain. I also purchased socks for me.
Stop it. Get some help.
I like buying the men's socks a little bit more than the women's socks because sometimes, since I have such big calves, the top kind of doesn't stretch enough, so I feel like I'm losing circulation. So I purchased these. They have the cacti all over the place, and they're just really pretty and really high up. So for winter, this is nice. These I already opened, but they're pineapple. I love that the back is blue as well. This one is so awesome. It really doesn't look like men's socks, but they have the cute little coconut drinks on them. This is so tropical. These are exactly the same, but they're gray. There's so much you can do with this. I'm sure you've seen all of those DIY videos where people do really cool things with socks. So this is really cool. If you don't want to wear them or gift them, you can also find a really cool DIY video and do wonders with these since they're really large. I picked up a few of the Bolero products. I've mentioned it before. I am not a huge fan of the Bolero products, but I've only really tried that one collection that they put out last year. But this to me looked really good. The bath soak, the soap, and then I actually tried the lotion in store. I hate doing that, but... So I thought this would be really good in a gift basket. I actually placed it on the tray that I made last week and it looked so cute. I kind of wish that I would have put out a video kind of making it into a gift basket for Mother's Day because I think this would be so cute. Along with a few other things from Dollar Tree, like this little exfoliating glove. I use this all the time. This is actually my 3rd purchase. So just putting all of these things together would make such a great gift. It's so thoughtful. Plus the tray only cost about $8 if you're not including the spray paint. So that would make an amazing gift, even if it's not for Mother's Day. So I found this spiral art tracer thing in the kids section and I had to purchase it. I really hope it's not crappy because there's this artist that I follow on Instagram. I think her name is, she does Neopop tattoos. I know her name is Kelly, but I don't remember her Instagram account. I'll probably link it somewhere. And some of the art that she sells is using these little spiral things. So I fell in love. I thought it was so pretty and it looks really relaxing. So try it. I'll leave her link once I finish filming this in the description so you guys can check out her Instagram. It's so pretty. For my farmhouse lovers, I love this little farmhouse kitchen sign. It is so pretty. I also found a little piggy, and every time I see a piggy, it reminds me of our bulldog because we call her Little Lechoncito. If you are Hispanic, then you know what that means, our little piggy. And as much as I love this, I'm not going to be using this to put around my house. I'm actually going to be using this for a DIY, which I cannot wait to show you guys. These candles were my favorite. I honestly have not burned a single one of these candles. I cannot tell you if they smell really strong, if the throw is good or not. To be honest with you, they don't really smell like much. but they're so, so pretty and they're so nautical. This one says Bon Voyage. This one has a beautiful octopus on it. This one says Anchors Away, and this one has a beautiful mermaid. It is so cute, and if you know somebody who has nautical decor, really great gift. Like I said, Dollar Tree is the best place for gifts. It's the best place for crafting. It's just the best place. This was really, really cool and really, really convenient. Look how paper thin this is. It is a flashlight, so to keep it in your car or in your purse, you never know when you need a flashlight. I don't know how many times. I usually have one on my keychain and I use it countless amount of times, especially when things fall in my car. So this is really, really handy, and I recommend that if you find it. I found it in the cashier section. If you find it, definitely purchase it because this is great for a first aid kit. I also purchased this 6-pack of cups for my daughter. She has a tendency of taking her cups and throwing them over to where the dogs are, and they end up destroyed, so I give up. This is what she's getting now. I also purchased these spoons. It's a spoon and a fork, and it says primary. She does the exact same thing. Basically, she throws all things that she can over to the dogs so that they have something to play with. It's the cutest thing, but it's the most frustrating thing as well. So that's it. That's all I picked up this trip to the Dollar Tree. A lot of these things are going to be used for DIYs, so I really can't wait to put those out. Just please have some patience with me and let me know in the comments below what you would do with some of these items. Definitely check out that video with the lantern. I love it so much, and please don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know what Dollar Tree wedding theme decor or any item you would want to see. Anyway, thank you so, so much for watching, and until next time.